In the early morning of June 30th, 1908, something terrifying happened in the remote wilderness of Siberia. Deep in the forests, near the Podkamennaya Tunguska River, the sky suddenly exploded. Witnesses described a blinding flash of light brighter than the sun. Moments later, a massive fireball streaked across the sky. Then came the blast. A shockwave so powerful, it knocked people off their feet over 60 kilometers away. Windows shattered, the ground trembled, and the sky burned with fire. When explorers finally reached the area years later, the destruction was almost unimaginable. More than 80 million trees had been flattened across 2,000 square kilometers of forest. Entire sections of the Siberian wilderness looked like a giant had crushed them. Trees were lying on the ground in a perfect radial pattern, pointing away from the center of the explosion. But something about the scene made the mystery even deeper. There was no impact crater, no large fragments of a meteor, nothing that clearly explained the disaster. Scientists believe a massive space rock exploded in the atmosphere before hitting the ground, but some researchers think something stranger may have happened. Over the years, theories have ranged from a comet explosion to secret weapons to even extraterrestrial spacecraft. More than a century later, the Tunguska Event remains one of the most powerful and mysterious explosions in recorded history. An explosion equal to hundreds of atomic bombs in the middle of an empty forest. And the strangest part? If the object had exploded just 4 hours later, the Earth's rotation would have placed a major city directly beneath it. History might have been very different, because whatever exploded over Siberia that morning was powerful enough to destroy an entire city. Yet it left behind almost no trace.